Hey, it's Kate at WTI, and if you want your bedding to express your personality, check out this beautiful quilt set from VISIMISI. So this particular quilt is white with a gorgeous paisley pattern on it. It has all sorts of different colors that you can pick up in your room. There's pinks and blue and yellows, gray, orange, black, so you can really have fun with this design. I have it in the king size and it's a really generous size, lots of extra hangover on the sides. If you look closely, this is stitched so well. It's got stitching all throughout. It is reversible, so you can have it on either side. It's a nice thin blanket, so it can be used all year round. It's perfect on its own for summer, or you can layer other blankets underneath in colder weather. It's nice and low maintenance, throw it in the wash and in the dryer. It also comes with 2 pillow shams. They are also king size. You can see how nicely they're filled out by my giant pillows, so they really add a lot to the bed too. I had picked this out to use camping. I think it's so cheerful, such a beautiful pattern. I'm sure you'll be really happy when you see it too, and that's my point of view.